Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up AMD Fidelity FX Super Resolution, or FSR, to boost your gaming performance. First, make sure your graphics card drivers are completely up to date. This ensures you have the latest optimizations for FSR. Next, enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling in your Windows settings. Finally, confirm that the game you wish to play actually supports FSR, as it needs developer integration to function properly. Once your system is ready, launch your chosen game. Head into the graphics or video settings, where you should find the Fidelity FX Super Resolution option. Enable it, and then select one of the available quality presets. You might also find a sharpness slider. Experiment with this to achieve your preferred visual clarity. Remember, FSR works by rendering the game at a lower resolution and then intelligently upscaling it. FSR provides several modes to tailor your experience. Ultra Quality prioritizes image fidelity, offering a small but noticeable frame rate boost. Quality Mode balances visuals and performance, delivering nearly native-like images. Balanced Mode further improves performance while maintaining decent image quality. Finally, Performance Mode maximizes frame rates, which is perfect for achieving smoother gameplay in graphically intensive titles, though it may slightly reduce visual detail. To get the most out of FSR, remember that it often shines brightest at higher resolutions, such as 1440p or 4K. Don't hesitate to experiment with the different quality modes in each game. What works best for one title might not be ideal for another. A high refresh rate monitor, like 120 Hz, will also make the increased frame rates feel even smoother. If you encounter issues, double-check that your game is running in exclusive full-screen mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.